Templates is a powerful tool in LandOne that allows you to save lists, materials, and their associations and reuse them on future projects. Let me show you how templates work. You can see here that I have a project and I'm in my project summary view. Now I have a list that I've already created that I might use on this project, and since this may be a good list that I might want to reuse on other future projects, I can save it as a template. To do this, simply click Save List as Template at the top of the materials bar. Now you'll want to give your template a name, so I can say Residential Base Landscape 2, and then simply click Save Template, and it's going to save this list as a template, and you'll get a successfully saved notification at the top. Now let me show you how I'd reuse this list on another project. I'm going to add in a blank section. You can see here that my material list is blank. Now I can quickly populate it with this template. I'll click Add Materials, Use Template. Now you can see your available list of templates, and here's the one that we just created. So I'll select it, apply a template, and that list is automatically added into your project. For more tips and tricks on how to use LandOne, be sure to check out our other tutorials in our YouTube playlist.